ground, very good evening, Pakistan 790 Heavy.
Pakistan 790 Heavy, ground runway 24 right, altimeter 2962, taxi Bravo, hold short Bravo 3.
Ground, very good evening, Pakistan 790 Heavy.
Pakistan 790 Heavy, ground runway 24 right, altimeter 2962, taxi Bravo, hold short Bravo 3.
Runway 24 right for departure, altimeter 2962, via Bravo, hold short of Bravo 3, Pakistan 790.
Pakistan 790, monitor tower 11835.
Monitor tower 1.35, good evening, Pakistan 790.
Pakistan 790, 115.015, for takeoff runway 24 right.
Takeoff runway 24 right, Pakistan 790 Heavy.
Departure now 128 just like me.
28 Pakistan 790, bye-bye. Departures Pakistan 790, CDOC 6, departure out of 2,800.
Pakistan 790 Heavy, departure identified, climb 7000.
And 7,000 Pakistan 790 Heavy.